QR codes are a versatile tool that can be used to drive engagement and generate income in various ways. Here's how beginners can make money with QR codes. Create and sell custom QR codes. Many businesses need custom QR codes for marketing, events, or promotions. As a beginner, you can design unique QR codes for businesses and charge a fee. Offer services like creating QR codes that link to websites, digital products, or social media profiles, or even customizing them with logos or branding. Promote affiliate products. Use QR codes in your marketing efforts to promote affiliate products. Place the QR code on business cards, flyers, or social media posts, directing users to affiliate links. When people scan the code and make a purchase, you earn a commission. Sell digital products. Create and sell digital products like ebooks, courses, or printable items. Use QR codes to link directly to the purchase page or digital download, and promote them through social media or ads. QR code-based donations or crowdfunding. Use QR codes to direct people to donation or crowdfunding platforms. Nonprofits, charities, or even personal projects can leverage QR codes for quick donations via mobile devices.